Hey guys, we are on topic number 13. Today we're going to be talking about something that is new to me, which is pivot tables. We're going to talk about pivot tables. Basically, what pivot tables are, they allow us to work within particular subsets of the data to perform particular analyses at a given time that can be easily manipulated to accommodate different conditions within the data set that we might find. Um, that hopefully that was a pretty succinct overview of that. Let's just go ahead and let's take a look. We're just going to copy this data from earlier where we had all those different supplies and the costs and everything that went along with that. What we're going to do is we're going to go over to our insert menu, and we're going to select pivot table. Now I just want to again show you that they do have recommended pivot tables. I did take a look at those. They're really good because again they're looking at the types of data that we have, and then they're allowing us to make sort of like pre-informed decisions about what types of data might work with what types of pivot tables. But I'm going to make a custom pivot table just for fun, because it's very fun. And I'm going to put it on a new worksheet. So here we are. Now what we can do is we can actually take our different variables that we have and then drag and drop them into our. So I went ahead and made our columns, or excuse me, our different rows are going to be headed by the types of item. And then I could say, let's look at the number of units and then the unit cost and then the total cost. And so then that allows us to say, okay, there were 722 binders. They cost $172.86 a piece. Excuse me. Woo. And when we multiply that together, we get 9,577.65. And similarly, we can do that for each item. And then we can look at, again, this total. What this allows us to do is succinctly take our the overall data that we're analyzing and sort of look at some highlighted features of it or portions of it. So just wanted to show you that it's a pivot table and how we might use it in an applied setting.